Yo, Mass here from massiveav.ca. massiveav.ca. Today's video is about products. Which products? The products on my website. I got new products, I got featured products, I got best value products. Now, just to be clear with everybody, the products on my website are products that the featured products on my website are the products that I've either used or am still using. The new products are products that I've come across and feel that they're good products and you'll benefit from them. The best value products are, again, products that I've come across or have used and feel like it would be the biggest bang for your buck. Now, just a note on the products themselves. Should you go to my site, you go to the products page, you see a product that intrigues you, you're going to go and click on learn more. It's going to take you to the guy's website. Should you make a purchase through that process, then yes, I'm getting a commission. There's nothing greasy going on. I'm basically trying to eat is what's happening. So yes, I'm making commission that way. So if you guys come across those product links and you guys really like it, then yes, instead of browsing out and being smart and going back in, please don't. I would like to make some money. I'd like to put some food on the table. It would be great if I can do that. Anyways, that's just what it is. I wanted to clear that up. You can trust the products. Again, the featured products on my website are products that I either have used or am still using. And yes, I will endorse them. And I will endorse them to the moon because I'm using them or I've used it. And that's not going to change. So that's what it is, guys. You really should subscribe to the YouTube channel because new products keep getting added and subtracted. And when I do make the new product video or if I make a new featured video, it would drop and you guys would see it right away. Like, for example, last week when I did when I did the portable power units, that's a great product. I mean, in my opinion, it replaces generators. Why would you want a generator when you can buy those? Generators are noisy, like really noisy. They're heavy as shit to move around. So these power stations, they're good for camping. They're good for at work. They're just good for power on a dime when you need it. And it's renewable energy, right? The renewable energy. So anyways, it's products like that that I think that you guys will benefit from, and that's why I put them on my site. So anyways, yes, just to clarify, just in case anybody was thinking, this guy, I don't know, it seems to be a bit greasy. No, I'm not greasy. I'm trying to eat. I'm trying to put food on the table. That's all I'm trying to do. So yes, should you click learn more on my website, you go to the guy's website and you make a purchase, yes, I'm making a small commission. That's how I eat. Anyways, I just wanted to clear that up in case anybody was thinking about it. So check out the website, please subscribe, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. Talk to you soon.